Hello, this is Nighthawk62 with another Minecraft video. Today I'm going to show you how to make a bucket server. I have one of my own. You just have to join my Hamachi network. I'm going to put the link to my other video in the description below. Okay, so first what you want to do, you want to go to this website. I'm just going to hold it up there for a second. Okay. Then what you want to do is you want to go down till it says right here, there's one for Windows here, Linux, Mac. Yeah. I'm not going to show you how to do this. Okay, so then here is when you download Craft Bucket. Over here you want to copy and paste that into a notepad, whatever you use, and like I already have one up. Okay, so you want to put that like in a text. See, let me, if I can just, okay, yeah, notepad. And if like you have the cracked version, I'd put it false for this instead of leaving it true. Then save it, type it in as run, and put dot. Well, first go to save as, and save it as run dot bat. Save it to all files, and then so then you have your bat file, or not your bat, yeah, your batch file. That's to run it. Craft Bucket you need to run the server. And what you need to do is you need to go to and run it. It should come up with like ban IPs, ban players, ops, server, whitelist, and then like world, nether, the end, plugins. I have like the extra is like because of my plugins. So go to server, open a notepad. Here you go. I have a world already. You want to add you can add some of the properties. Like I'd get rid of. Here's the IP and stuff. Like to get like the Hamachi. PvP I have on because I want to fight people. People can fight each other. Max players. Spawn protection and stuff. I don't know about that. Spawn monsters I put false because I don't like them. I have a texture pack. I went into WinRAR, copied the name of it, paste it. You can have NPCs being spawned or not. Max build height, level seed, server port. No, that's really not. Allow flight. I have it true, but thanks to my anti-cheat mod, or not anti-cheat mod, but anti-cheat plugin, it won't allow it. The name of the world, let's say if you have a save that you want everybody, like so awesome you want everybody to play on, I suggest copying the name into the server properties and putting it like here, and allow nether and stuff, general settings, yeah, and that's so. Whitelist is it depending on how many who you want in your server. Then you got ops, which I opt myself. So yeah, I opt myself so I can I'm the admin. Ban IPs and stuff. Okay, so when you get plugins, like here's my plugins. It started out with like a Java file, then it turned out, when you start it though, it turns out to be like these. Like there's Deadbolt and stuff. Okay, so, okay. You can go install plugins. In the description below there'll be a list of plugins. So, okay, when you're done with that, you got this set up. So you got the bat file, you're done messing with the server properties, done messing with ops, like opping yourself, and done messing with plugins. Go to the run, double click on it, it'll come up with this, wait to load. Now, some people just like close out of it, just like pressing, like clicking on the X. No, if that doesn't stop the server, you might want to go down and click and like type in stop. Okay, so it's done now. I'm going to launch Minecraft. So, and I'll prove to you that works. I use Razer Game Booster so it doesn't lag as much. So, yeah, it's being a pain about it. Some people, it used to be Game Booster, now it's Razer Game Booster for some reason. It just temporarily shuts down, like let's say you have Google Chrome, you're done on Google Chrome, you shut it, you like close it out. It doesn't really shut down, like not shut down. It technically doesn't really close it, but the Razer Game Booster closes it. But no data gets erased. Okay, so I just go to multiplayer right here. Lost City, join server. Oh, and I have Be the Mob. Okay, I could just do that because I have. Oh, there we go. Okay, so you gotta log in on my server. Sacred Swords. See, it says down here, protect. This is protected, by the way. So it won't let anybody else in but me. It just gives me that little notice. These signs, this is private in my name. Yeah, this sign, it's the plugin. See, like, watch, I'll take it down. Let me switch the game mode. Okay. Delete that sign. That's in here. I'm gonna put in there, private in brackets. Okay, so you see, that's all I put. Now I'm gonna click done. And it has my name randomly. So it's temporarily, only I can get in there. Now for the next line, I could put someone else's name in there. Or I could make it where everybody can go in there. Have it where I can only get in here. Now people could come in this and have a good time. Guild of the Knights. Now I'm not saying I created this server. I downloaded it and thought it'd be like a pretty good PvP map where everybody liked to come on in here and kill each other and stuff, try to be king. But I give credit to the guy who built this. I said this map is an awesome map. Like with this texture pack that I'm using, the John Smith, and playing on this map, it makes it like a pretty good map. Like, I mean, you gotta admit, you gotta give credit to the guy for this map. And to the people, and if he had anybody making it, I give credit to them who made it. But I made some few minor modifications, like sign blocking stuff. Yeah, I had some like chest plates and stuff, and more swords in here, blocked by me. Now I can add people to it if they want, so they won't be blocked by it. Oh yeah, and I have a Be the Mob plugin, and I'll show you that right now. So I'm successfully disguised as a creeper. Now, if you don't believe me, I am going to be in the courtyard right here. I'm just going to be right here, standing still. Now, I'm going to launch Minecraft again. Under a new person. Okay, for some reason, okay, there we go. Okay, so that was the wrong name. Just gonna back out. Enter game. Okay, the next time I'm just gonna just go straight in, no matter what. Okay, so one person, that's my other person. Okay, so it said I was successfully disguised as a creeper, and I gotta wait 10 minutes. This ain't fair. You guys are probably gonna leave. Well, it'd be best if you skip the video from here to, 2 minutes. Here's the texture packs that I have. The mods that I have. Let's see now if it'll let me. One more minute. 6:42 is what time I'll try getting on. There we go. You know what? I'm not gonna prove it to you. You probably get the idea. No, but see how awesome these plugins are. But okay, but thanks for watching. Please comment, subscribe. Comment if you have any issues with it. Subscribe just because if you want to. But thanks anyways.